Hello everybody, thank you very much for attending our first presentation today. The topic we will cover is smarter teamwork with Microsoft 365 and Jira by working with the super issue. And at the end of this presentation it will be hopefully clear to everyone what's behind this term. I'm Patrick, Partner Manager at yasoon, and I'm very happy to be a part of this great event. It's my first time in Vegas and I am a bit nervous, but yeah. A big thanks also to the Cybermedia team for the great organization, and thanks for having us. With me today is my lovely colleague, Nicki.
Yeah, hi guys, I'm Nicki. I'm also working in partner management at yasoon. I've been doing this for 3 years. Surprisingly, this is my very first presentation. So if you cannot tell from the last row, I'm pretty shaky up here, so please be kind, but I'm doing my best.
So, what can you expect from this presentation? We will show you how to provide smart and seamless workflows by building a strong connections between Jira and Microsoft 365. We will show you how to improve communication by providing cross-tool conversations in real time, and at last, how to ensure clear documentation by linking related conversations to issues. So before we dive into the topic, let me briefly introduce you yasoon. We are a German-based company which is located in Mannheim in the southwest of Germany. We have a strong focus on our development. We are building powerful apps which connects the Atlassian world with Microsoft 365 for more than 10 years now. And I think more than 5,000 customers are proof enough that we must do something right. And we are a pure marketplace vendor with the highest status in the Atlassian ecosystem, and I'm very proud to work with strong solution partners such as Cybermedia.
Yeah, okay, but I think that's enough about us. Let's dig in. You don't know me that well, but I can assure you I'm trustworthy. So what happens here will stay here. I think that goes for Vegas, right? No, but please be honest. We need a quick show of hands from you guys. Who here is happy with collaboration in Jira? I promise I won't tell. Such a few people. Wow, you're not even raising that hand high enough. So it's even worse than I thought. Thank God we're here, Patrick. Hopefully we have the solution that helps you out a little bit. And all jokes aside, I think all of us here, we know and love, let's say at least we like Jira, right? But if we look at communication in Jira really is a drag. And looking at the channels offered to us, this shouldn't come as a big surprise, because there's basically like one. So there's no central place of collaboration. If I want to reach out to a client or a colleague, all I have to go for is the comment section. We've all been there, we used it. I will write a comment, an email notification will be triggered, and then it begins. The endless back and forth of mails, a very time-consuming and annoying process. At least I find so. So we thought there must be a better way to do this more quickly, more efficient, and I can tell you there is. We found it, and this is where Microsoft 365 comes in, because we truly believe that this is the central place of collaboration, providing a couple of tools like chats, meetings, calls, and so on. Just a few examples. You basically get it in an out-of-the-box solution, all you could probably need collaboration-wise. So we think this is the chat platform for enable your hybrid work environments. You can automate and optimize your processes by using these tools. And on top of that, it's quite easy to integrate with third-party apps, allowing to improve the connection. For example, with a project management tool we all use and know, Jira. So in other words, we believe that Jira and Microsoft 365, they're a match made in heaven. So there's a love story coming. The sequel is right around the corner. We think that with its native project management functionalities in Jira and Microsoft 365 as a collaboration platform, it's a perfect fit. So why not bring the both together, right? And of course, we aren't the only ones that made that connection, because it's quite obvious. So Microsoft and Atlassian, they also have been in an integration partnership. And if you look in the Atlassian marketplace, you'll see there are a couple of free basic integrations offered, such as Microsoft Teams for Conference, for an instance, or Microsoft Teams for Jira. Maybe you've tried them already. They're all available for cloud, but we thought there must be something more.
Yeah. So as Nicki already mentioned, there are already some basic integrations provided by Atlassian, but we see there a big potential in integrate both even deeper and much further. And yeah, here comes the question. How can Microsoft 365 and Jira be connected in a powerful way? And yeah, this is where yasoon comes in. Our main approach is to provide seamless workflows and strong connections between Atlassian and Microsoft 365. But let's take a closer look at it. What exactly does it mean? With our solution, we optimize single Jira issues with Microsoft features. So that means that you can easily start a chat, Microsoft Teams chat or channel conversation, or even work with your personal mail account right in Jira. You have also the possibility to coordinate and schedule Outlook meetings, and if necessary, adding unique Microsoft Teams meetings links. And for those of you who are working with Microsoft To Do, you can do it right in Jira. So finally, we come to the super issue. What's behind it, this term? With the super issue, you can keep track with all related conversations and make hidden communication visible. So you no longer have to switch between programs and can use the full power of Microsoft 365 right in Jira. So let us show you some main feature. So as I already mentioned, with our solution, you can easily start a Microsoft Teams chat in just a few clicks. So all involved persons in the issue are suggested automatically. And yeah, if you want, you can also post the whole issue into an existing Microsoft Teams channel to start a discussion with your team. And yeah, as you can see, the whole chat history is clearly linked to the issue, so no information will be lost.
Yeah. So next up, we want to showcase how you bring the power of Outlook in your Jira issue. So with our integration, it allows you to send and read emails right here in your Jira issue. To keep your colleagues in the loop, even better, all future replies and emails will be linked here as well. So everything is there where you need it. Everything is also, of course, connected to your Outlook account. And on the next slide, can you go further? Thank you. On the next slide, we're showcasing our little helper to schedule meetings. So our app takes away the hardest part, finding a time slot. So you can easily see when your colleague is available right away, and then just send out the meeting request right here again from Jira. And also, again, of course, everything is documented, so the scheduled meeting will be shown here. You can even add a unique Microsoft Teams link if you need so. And of course, also, you will find this in your Outlook calendar as well if you schedule the meeting. And last but not least, you can work with Microsoft To Do as well. So if you're a heavy To Do user who likes to check off his lists, you can add your personal tasks right here, and everything will be pushed to your chosen To Do list right away. So yeah. This is what we call the power of the super issue. So I'm not going to repeat myself over and over. I don't want to bore you, but I think we've just shown that there's no need for switching tools anymore. Everything is right here where you would need it to keep on track with related conversations. And yeah, we think that's a pretty good case. And of course, all the components shown are live and interactive. And on top of that, you can activate them separately. So really, it is up to you how you want your super issue to look like.
Yeah, and of course, we also built an extension on the Microsoft side, meaning you can easily access different Jira functionalities right in Microsoft Teams or Outlook. So let me highlight the main feature. So you can easily turn emails and Microsoft Teams messages right into Jira issues. So you no longer have to copy-paste anything and just do it in Teams and Outlook. You have also the possibility to view Jira data right in Outlook, so you get a holistic overview of the important information right in Outlook. And yeah, our last integration is the Jira Service Management integration in Microsoft Teams, so customer can easily access the support portal and can raise a ticket right there. And yeah, if this last feature sounds interesting for you, we have a second presentation later in this afternoon where we showcase you how to speed up ITSM processes with Microsoft 365 and Jira Service Management.
Yeah, hopefully we did good. We are coming to the end of our presentation, and yeah, thank you so much.
Thanks.
Ja, toll, ne?
Are there any questions?
Frag doch. One small one. Der Mensch ist nur 100.
No, I will give you the mic. It's my job. So don't get me fired, please.
I'll start speaking slowly. So my question is, I really like the feature where we can connect the teams to Jira so that we can schedule calls. Does it also include, like, if I want to record a conversation, when I'm on a team conversation and I record the call, does that get linked here as well?
So you mean that you link existing chats after?
No. So if I have a meeting with Susan and we do it on Teams and I want to record that call, does that get connected to the Jira ticket?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
What if there's a conversation that you created out of a Jira ticket? Will it continue to stay forever or until the Jira ticket is alive? What if someone deletes the conversation?
Yeah, we offer the possibility that you can archive chats within the Jira issue, so no information will be lost. So it will be, I'm not sure which format, but yeah, it's done. The archive is done, documented and linked in the issue.
So, but for me, my concern is I need an audit history of comments. Let's say someone on the team channel said, approve, go ahead with the change. Now the team channel got wiped off or got archived. Now, how can I retrieve that on the Jira ticket?
If the ticket is there, the conversation is there.
Okay.
But don't lose the ticket.
The ticket is done too long.
Yeah, then you're fine.
Thank you.
Oh, seems we're running out of time. I can hear you. I mean, it's the first.
Okay.
It's
Can you?
okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I can hear you.
The super issue components you presented. You said you can define what kind of components you want to have active, right?
Yes.
Is it globally, or can you do it on issue type? Can you do it on project level, or?
Currently, it is on project level, so you can select which project do you want to activate the feature and which feature for which project.
Okay, cool. And do you have planned restriction levels for the components? What type of component should be visible? Like, there's some part of information in the issue should be visible for all. Maybe some parts should not be visible for all.
Yeah.
Do you plan that?
So, for example, when you start a chat, right, in the Jira issue, you have the possibility to select who is able to view. So in case there are sensitive data, you can select on private, and mostly, for example, in Jira Service Management, you can select allow and joining afterwards. So if other agents want to view the chat history, they are able to see it and join if necessary.
Yeah.
Very cool.
It even was in the clip. Maybe it was a bit too quick.
But yeah, we will
show
showcase this
afterwards.
in the second presentation.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, as
Thanks.
well.
Thank you.
Great. Thank you very much. And thank you for your attention.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.